Good evening, everyone. My name is Sagar Kanpat Bagal, and today is 12 April 2022, and today's Bible topic name is inheritance. Inheritance means acquire all the property from one class to another class. It's called as inheritance. For example, class A is a addition method, and we can use the class A. Okay, one method create addition, and another class B, we use for the subtraction method. We use in a class B in a subtraction method. Here two method in a two method are one class A, class B inheritance class C, class A. We in the class A, the inherit all the property from class A coming from class B. This addition method coming from class B, and two method in a one class, and we create the object and find the solve the program. We can use for inheritance tool code reusability and code optimization. Is two advantages can be for the inheritance. There are three types of inheritance. First is a simple inheritance, second is a multi-level inheritance, and third is a hierarchical inheritance. First is a simple inheritance. Simple inheritance means parent to child, means parent all the property acquired to a child all the access of child, all the access on a parent property, but parent not access for the child property. For example, we can use for the one example. Class A is a one multiple addition method, and class A is a child class, no, it's parent class, and child B is a child class. The B class acquired all property from A class, means parent class. We can all the property acquired from the class A. We can means two addition and the subtraction in two method can be acquired from acquire in a class B, and we can create the object main method. We can create the object class B, and all the property coming from this. These are simple inheritance. Then is used for the multi-level inheritance. Multi-level inheritance means grandfather to father, father to son. These are the chain of the inheritance, means acquire from one chain of the acquired chain of the acquired property in a class. For example, the dogs, dogs and dogs baby. Other example for we can create the three classes: class A, class B, class C. Class A is a addition method, class B is a subtraction method, class C is a multiplication method. But class A do not acquire property from class B. Class B acquired property from class A, means class B coming from the addition and subtraction two method. When class B does not acquire property class C. The class C acquired A and B property. To class C inherited the property, inherited the property class B, because class B are A and B property acquire actually inherit here. In this class C create the object, and class C are create the object, and we can be use create the object, and we can all the property come from the main method. This is the chain of the inheritance is called as a multi-level inheritance. And third last is a hierarchical inheritance, means one parent two child are all the property acquired from the parent, but parent does not acquire property from the child. Suppose parent one class A is a one method is a one method is a show method, and class B and class C. Class B inheritance the class A. The class A all the property called class B, and class C inheritance the class inherit the class A. The class A all the property called class C. This is all simple example for the hierarchical inheritance. And multiple inheritance does not support in a Java. Does not support in a Java, because the is class ambiguity create here, because class ambiguity create here because two classes does not inherit in a class one class. This reason multiple inheritance does not support in Java. Multiple inheritance does not support in Java. Then class and to inherit the class, but the object does not understand which method is called. This which method this are ambiguity I create. This is multiple inheritance does not support in Java. That's all about the inheritance. Thank you.